Congratulations! You've just stumbled onto what could be the most important discovery of your life. What you're about to hear isn't just exciting, it's life-changing. I'm talking about a $500 per day system that taps into a hidden Google AI loophole so fresh and under the radar that almost no one else knows it exists. Before we go any further, let me make one thing clear. This is not one of those get-rich-quick scams you've seen before. This is different. This is real. My name is Glyn Koski. Over the past decade, I've built a business that's generated over $20 million in online revenue, and I've helped thousands of people escape the grind and start living life on their terms. But trust me when I say, nothing I've ever done compares to what I'm about to share with you. This all started with my cousin Vanessa. She's a tech wizard and had the opportunity to intern at Google a few years ago, a dream job for someone with her skills. But during her time there, she noticed something strange. Vanessa stumbled upon a tiny flaw in Google's AI ad system, a glitch that could be exploited to generate consistent, automated income. At first, she wasn't even sure it was real. Could this actually work? So she tested it, and to her shock, it worked, over and over again. Every time she ran the system, money poured in. First $300, then $500, then $1,000, all with just a few clicks. And the best part? It was completely automated. When Vanessa shared this with me, I didn't believe it at first. But after seeing $500 deposits hit my own account day after day, I realized this wasn't just real. It was the most powerful income system I'd ever seen. And here's where it gets even crazier. Vanessa explained to me how Google's AI has been secretly evolving, far beyond what most people know. This isn't the stuff they talk about in press releases. We're talking about algorithms so advanced, they can predict what people want before they even know it themselves. Now here's the kicker. Some of the world's most influential people are already tapping into this. Have you ever wondered how celebrities like Kim Kardashian, Elon Musk, or even Jeff Bezos always seem to be ahead of the curve? I'm not saying they're using this exact loophole, but let's just say the tools they have access to are eerily similar. This AI loophole levels the playing field. It takes the same kind of technology used by billion-dollar companies and puts it in your hands. No fancy equipment, no insider connections, just a simple, automated system that does all the heavy lifting for you. Vanessa even joked that if Google knew we were sharing this, they'd probably shut it down tomorrow. That's how powerful this is. But don't worry, this is 100% legal, and there's nothing Google can do to stop you. Let's take a moment to think about what $500 a day could mean for you. Imagine waking up tomorrow to find that all your credit cards and loans are paid off. Imagine driving a car that's fully yours. No loans, no debt. Imagine booking a first-class ticket for a family vacation and not having to think twice about the cost. But it's not just about money. It's about what the money can do for you. This is about freedom. Freedom to quit the job you hate. Freedom to spend more time with your loved ones. Freedom to live the life you've always dreamed of but didn't think was possible. And that's exactly what the $500 Google Payday system is designed to give you. Now, you might be wondering why I'm sharing this. After all, I could have kept this to myself. The truth is, I've already made millions, and this system is still generating more every day. But I've been where you are. I know what it's like to feel stuck, to wonder if life will ever get better. And I also know how much this system can change lives, because it's already done that for so many people. That's why I'm opening this up to you. Not to get rich, I've already done that, but to give you a chance to take back control of your life. But here's the catch. This loophole won't last forever. Google is constantly updating their systems, and it's only a matter of time before this glitch is patched. That's why I'm only offering this to 50 people at the current price. I want to take a second to tell you just how simple this system is. You don't need any technical skills. You don't need any experience. All you need is a smartphone or laptop and 15 minutes to set it up. Once it's running, the system works for you, completely on autopilot. Whether you're sleeping, working out, or spending time with your family, the $500 Google Payday system keeps generating income day after day. This isn't just my success story. Real people from all walks of life are already seeing results with this system. Like Jessica, a single mom from Texas, who paid off her credit cards and took her kids to Disney World within a month. Or Tom, a retired veteran, who bought his dream truck after just 2 weeks. Or Samantha, a college student, who now makes more than her professors, all from her dorm room. If they can do it, why not you? Imagine waking up tomorrow and seeing your first $500 deposit, and then another the next day, and the next. With this system, that's exactly what's possible. It's not just a dream, it's real, it's proven, and it's working right now for people just like you. But here's the thing, this opportunity is extremely limited. The Google loophole is already on borrowed time. It could be patched tomorrow, next week, or next month. And once that happens, this system will be gone forever. That's why you need to act now. If you wait, someone else will take your spot, and you'll miss out on the chance to change your life. Here's what you need to do. Click the button on this page and secure your spot in the $500 Google Payday system. Once you're in, you'll get instant access to everything you need to start making $500 a day, starting as soon as today. And just to remove any hesitation, I'm offering a 180-day money-back guarantee. That's right, you get 6 full months to test the system risk-free. If for any reason you're not completely satisfied, you'll get every penny back. No questions asked. But let me be clear, you won't need it. This system works. And once you see those $500 deposits hitting your account, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. This is your moment. You've seen how powerful this system is. You've seen how it's changing lives. And you've seen the proof that it works. Now it's up to you. Click the button now, secure your spot, and let the $500 Google Payday system change your life forever. You're in good hands. My name is Glenn Koski, and I've made over $20 million online. With my expertise and my tech genius cousin Vanessa working alongside me, you can trust that this system is designed to work for you. Don't wait. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Click the button now, and I'll see you on the inside. Let's make this your breakthrough year.